friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be making bolones de plátanos. This is an Ecuadorian dish and I hope you enjoy it. To make this delicious recipe, Bolon De Platano Verde, the 4 pieces, you will need 5 big green plantains, avocado oil or any oil that you have in your kitchen, pork, and salt.
Hola amigos, vamos a preparar unos riquísimos bolones de chicharrón. Esto es con plátano verde y también se puede hacer de queso. Les invitamos que vea este video. Gracias.
This is going to be a bilingual video. I'm going to be speaking in English and my mom's going to be making it in Spanish. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.
Yes.
Okay, now the plantains are fully peeled.
Ahora estamos friendo los plátanos para luego hacer los bolones.
Now we're going to fry the plantains in order to make the bolones. We're going to be making them with pork. So we use 5 plantains today.
Aquí estamos friendo los plátanos para luego hacer los chicharrones.
A very traditional Ecuadorian dish.
Yes.
You usually have this all the time for breakfast.
Esto se come en el desayuno. Con 5 plátanos salieron 4 bolones. Se maja bien para que quede bien.
You gotta mash them up really good so they can be nice and smooth.
Aquí ya vamos a hacer. Se le pone la carne con chicharrón.
So we add a little bit of salt and then we add the pork.
Esto se maja bien para que introduzca el chicharrón y luego ya está.
So we have to mush it really good and then introduce the pork into the plantain and then make it into a round circular bowl. Mashing the plantains and then blend it in with the pork. And this is very traditional in Ecuador. Most of the places where you go, even in the airports, they have this typical dish, Bolon De Platano. And the key to do it is to freshly take it out of the pan and start mushing it. So when they're warm, they're soft. And then you just add about a handful. Add another handful to make sure it's well blended. And there you go. It's very simple to make.
Delicious.
So we use 5 plantains to make 4 of the bolones.
Y ahora estamos finalizando. Un poquito para que se toste por encima.
Y ya.
Terminamos de hacer.
And then you put it back in the pan for it to toast a little bit. And then it should be done. You could serve this with hot chocolate or coffee.
Alright, so we're here. We're gonna sample this Bolon De Verde. First, we're gonna try it regular, meaning with no added in enhancements, as red hot pepper, my favorite, Frank's red hot pepper. And then I get mystery hot sauces. So I really don't know what they are. I just keep on circling, shuffling through them, and as I get them here in the house, I just add them on. So let's try this. Very tasteful, and I'm really hungry. Yeah, it does taste like plantains. It does have meat. It reminds me more of like a rice ball, but Ecuadorian style with plantains, red plantains, and pork, I guess. But it tastes good. Now, we're gonna add some hot sauce. We're gonna douse it on. We go to Costco or BJ's to buy the big size, so it becomes like a soup on it. I always wanted to try this recipe right here, but never had the time for it. Right here, the Frank's Red Hot Buffalo chicken dip. Maybe we can have the chicken dip with this. Every time they make balls, sopa de bolas, rice balls, Bolon De Verde bola. It's all good.
And use the green plantains, not the yellow ones.
It's good. It's good. Definitely good.
Hit the like button, subscribe for more fun, and be sure to hit the notification bell.